Hi guys, I'm back. I'm Tanya and this is Creations with Tanya. So today I'm going to use all tubes and then I was like, but I really want some bling, so I did get Or TLP. My colors are, as you know, this little piggy, Or. We have Golden, Quinacridone Magenta. We have Phthalo Green, Atelier. Windsor & Newton, Phthalo Blue. Turquoise Deep by Liquitex Professional, Heavy Body Acrylics. And Liquitex Basics, Dioxazine Purple. And for my cell activator, tried and true, Amsterdam Titanium White. And my pillow paint is Glidden Essentiels Interior White Base. I'll be right back. I'm gonna pour my pillow paint and we can start putting on the paints. I'm back. I've put down my pillow paint. The first color I'm going to use is Or by this little piggy. So pretty. I'm gonna go off center again. I like it. I like the nice wispy design it gives me. Then I'm gonna go Turquoise Deep, and I'm pretty sure that is Windsor & Newton. And then I'm going Liquitex Basic Dioxazine Purple. Ooh, too much. Not that much. Just one little. So pretty against that gold. Ooh. Or, I should say. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. Okay. And then I'm going with Phthalo Green by Atelier. Nice and awesome. And then I'm going Quinacridone Magenta, Golden. I just mix these. Shouldn't be clumpy like that. Really? What the heck? Why is it so clumpy? I think there might be something in it. Maybe? There. Alright. And last but not least, I am using Phthalo Blue. Phthalo Blue? Yeah. Or is it the Turquoise Deep? No, I did the Turquoise Deep already. Phthalo Blue. Windsor & Newton. And my cell activator, Titanium White, 3:1 ratio, and then I mix in until I get this nice sort of cream mixture. Titanium White and Australian floetrol. And there we go. Now I'm gonna get my hair dryer and hope for the best. And I need to blow some of this out, so I'm just gonna go in there and give it a blow. But that is so gorgeous, so rich. Well, let's see if I can do an okay job. I hope you guys can see this. Do you think I should stretch it like I did the last one? And I love the ore. That's why I put the ore down first, so it could give, and then the, what is it, Dioxazine purple from Liquitex Basic. I know some artists don't like these harsh lines, but I really think it gives a definition. But I mean, it's a personal preference, right? Should I blow a little bit more in the center? Should we do stretching again? I think so. Yeah. Doesn't want to get off the spinner. And I'm gonna do it this way first, so you guys can see. That is so pretty. It's just that I have a lot of paint on it, but it's so beautiful. It's so rich. Deep. Let's put it back. Get my arm out of the way for you guys. I may have to spin it a little. I'm just trying to get it over the edge here so that, what is that? Oh no, I hope this doesn't ruin it. There's something in this. Darn it. Didn't see that. I'm gonna have to stretch this, and that part is beautiful. There we go. You guys, what do you think? What do you think? Tell me, comment below. And I just noticed another paint thing ruining my canard. Gives character, right? One of a kind. I think I see another one right over here. Thank goodness it's not in the actual design. And then I dripped paint. Into the design. Wow, the multicolored cells are ridiculous. And now I'm like stretching the crap out of the cells in the middle, which is really too bad. Started off beautiful and then got worse. As I keep finding paint things in my painting, trying to fix it, and get out. Oh, mind you, that's crazy. totally wonkadoodled it. I don't know, do I get rid of it? Or do I keep it? What do you think, guys? It's like it's showing it's back a little there. How's that? Is that better for you? I didn't realize it was off camera. These cells here and this are ruined. I like it, but maybe I put too much paint on. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think I might try another one, but I don't have any paint. But I like the kaleidoscope of colors. Okay. I will put it over, get rid of the drips, and then come back for a close-up. Let me know what you think. Okay. This is a little awkward for me, but I have it down and I've wiped the edges underneath. I don't know. I'm gonna sit on this. I may redo it, but let's go in, and I just want to show you these beautiful cells and the multicolor and the wispiness. And there's my boo-boo. Some of the cells stayed really nice, but then others went all sort of wonky. It's just that I think I might have had too much pillow paint on. I just wanted it to flow. And there's the ore. Takes over. I must have put too much on, because then you see the center there, it's all sort of wonky. And then I'm gonna zoom out here. And there you go. I may keep it, I may not. I'm gonna think about it. Anyways, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.